Welcome to Smart Stock Watch. Today is January 8th, 2025, and we're diving into the latest earnings report from Albertsons for the third quarter of fiscal 2024. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Albertsons, a leading food and drug retailer in the U.S., has just released its Q3 2024 earnings report, and there's a lot to unpack, from digital sales growth to strategic initiatives.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Albertsons reported net sales of $18.77 billion for the third quarter, a 1.2% increase from the previous year. John, what are the key drivers behind this growth?
The growth was primarily driven by a 2.0% increase in identical sales, with strong contributions from pharmacy sales. Additionally, digital sales surged by 23%, reflecting the company's successful digital engagement strategies.
And how did they perform in terms of profitability?
Albertsons reported an adjusted EPS of 71 cents, beating the analyst forecast of 64 cents. This was supported by a net income of $401 million, showcasing their ability to maintain profitability despite a slight decrease in gross margin.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Despite the positive sales growth, Albertsons saw a slight decrease in gross margin to 27.9%. What factors contributed to this?
The decrease in gross margin was mainly due to the lower margin from pharmacy sales and increased costs related to digital sales growth. However, their productivity initiatives helped offset some of these pressures.
Looking ahead, what can we expect from Albertsons?
The company is optimistic about its future, focusing on its customers for life strategy to drive digital engagement and omni-channel growth. They also plan to leverage productivity gains to reinvest in the business, aiming for sustained growth and shareholder returns.
Strategic initiatives and shareholder returns. Albertsons has announced a 25% increase in its quarterly dividend and a $2.0 billion share repurchase program. How significant are these moves for shareholders?
These initiatives are quite significant as they demonstrate Albertsons' commitment to returning value to shareholders. The dividend increase and share buyback program are positive signals of financial health and confidence in future cash flows.
There was also news about the termination of the merger with Kroger. Can you elaborate on that?
Yes, the merger was terminated following a court injunction. Albertsons has filed a lawsuit against Kroger for damages and a $600 million termination fee. This legal battle could have financial implications, but Albertsons is focused on moving forward with its standalone strategies.
Key takeaways. In summary, Albertsons has delivered a strong performance in Q3 2024, with impressive digital sales growth and strategic initiatives to enhance shareholder value. John, any final thoughts?
Albertsons is well-positioned for future growth with its focus on digital engagement and customer loyalty. The financial strategies, including dividend hikes and share repurchases, further solidify its investment appeal.
And thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Albertsons' performance in the comments below.